How to change language in Telegram app on iPhone or Android. Hey everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you a quick tutorial on how you can do it. On the first step, open your Telegram application. If you don't have it, you may just download it from the Google Play Store. Open your Telegram and log in on your account, and then tap on the menu bar. Here, go to settings, and under settings you can see language below devices. Tap on it. For now, let's say I will change it into Italiano. Tap on it and you can see the changes that your account language has been changed into Italian. Now, to turn it back on, you may just tap on English and there you go. Your language have again changed into English. In this way, you may choose any languages that you want to change your Telegram into. So I hope this video was helpful to you and thank you for watching this video.